How to boost a Discord server. Want to support your favorite community and unlock awesome perks like better audio, more emojis, and cool server banners? Today, I will show you how to boost a Discord server in just a few clicks. Let's jump in. First things first, launch Discord app and click on the server you want to boost. At the top left corner of your screen, click the server name to open the drop-down. From the drop-down, click Server Boost or Boost the server. You will see info about the benefits and current level. Click Boost the server again and Discord will prompt you to confirm. You can use a Nitro included boost if you have Nitro or purchase a new boost directly. Select your payment method, confirm the boost and boom, your server is now powered up. Perks you unlock: better audio and video quality, more emoji slots, server banner and custom invite background, animated server icon, and increased upload size. Higher level equals more perks, and that's how you boost a server on Discord. Easy and impactful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.